is the education with the theme Globalization in Education. When we started working for this exhibition in April, the theme Globalization in Education has been drawn from the goals that we had set for this academic year for our students, parents, our teachers, and everybody here, the staff completely.
I am a mathematician and astronomer. I am the author of Aryabhata, which covers arithmetic, algebra, plane trigonometry and spherical trigonometry. I worked on approximation for pi. I correctly predicted that the Earth rotates about its axis.
Here is the histogram, the growth of ICS, and here are the geometrical shapes of maths. It contains triangle, square, rectangle, circle, oval, cone, cylinder, cube and cuboidal shapes, and it has many different shapes in it.
Here, this is the pastry corner. Different shapes they have learned from here. Square, circle, oval, and the students are very happy about this exhibition.
What's this? How many can you have? What's this? Which color?
We have this big Pizza Hut. It's the most biggest project made by a small student, made with different shapes. And this is our house with over here, made of different shapes, window shapes and that all.
हिंदी में स्वस्थ पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ. सब लोग अपनी किताबें खोलो. पेज नंबर 3.
जीवन में एक सितारा था, माना वह बेहद प्यारा था. वह डूब गया तो डूब गया. अंबर के आनंद को देखो, कितने इसके तारे टूटे, कितने इसके प्यारे छूटे.
बच्चों बताओ मुझे वहाँ क्या दिख रहा है? गुरुजी मुझे पैर दिख रही है. बैठो. बैठो. अ से अनार. अ से अनार.
رئيس مجلس الأمة وما في والأعضاء مجلس الأمة.
مجلس البرلمان ومجلس الأمة الكويتي يتكون من 50 عضوا. رئيس المجلس الأمة جاسم الخرافي، نائب الرئيس عبد الله الرومي، وهو يمثل الكويت من ناحية الديمقراطية.
As the length increases, the resistivity also increases, so it becomes dimmer and dimmer. Okay. So when the length decreases, the resistivity also decreases and it will become brighter.
Is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. It experiences a force which makes a conductor move, and this is how an electric motor works.
Ma'am, this is Newton's cradle. It explains Newton's third law of motion, which states that to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When one ball is stretched of equal weight, the same ball is released over here, and when two balls are stretched, same two balls are released over here.
The pressure from one syringe from one container, it gives an equal pressure to the other. So like that, the lift goes on coming on top.
So when a light falls on the solar panel, the motor fan works.
It works on the principle of Newton's third law of motion.
Falls and it moves the turbine, and by the principle of electromagnetic induction, the electricity is produced. Green light will go.
emits methane gases, which is one of the greenhouse gases, and it traps heat in the atmosphere and causes global warming. Thank you.
Global warming is the concentration of greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. Greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, CFC and ozone.
Here we have written a statement on the board. Can you imagine your life without chemistry? Of course not. We can never even think that if chemistry is not in our life, what will happen to it? Starting from when we get up, the water we drink, when we go for the coffee, the sugar we use, everything has small molecules in it, that everything depends on chemistry. The air we breathe, oxygen, all based on chemicals in it. Now here we all are displaying many models, many activities. They all depend on small to small chemical activities.
And this solar panel changes it into electron molecules and produce it into this solar regulator. This regulator then charges this battery, which here converts it to DC power. And this is again taken to this regulator where it's again converted to AC power. And then it's taken to the lot where it is fan here, and here it makes it work.
പുതിയതായി ആരംഭിച്ച കുവൈറ്റ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ടിവിക്ക് എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും. കൂടുതൽ ആളുകൾ ഇത് കാണുവാനും ഈ പരിപാടിയിലൂടെ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ മലയാളികളുടെ, ഇന്ത്യക്കാരുടെ കൾച്ചർ വ്യാപിപ്പിക്കുവാനും ഇതിടയാക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
ഇനിയും മേലിലും ഇതുപോലെ വരുന്ന എല്ലാ പ്രോഗ്രാമുകളും നമുക്ക് ഈ ടി വിയിൽ കൂടെ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. അതിൽ വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഇതിന് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
In fact, by the end of the exhibition rounds, I'm in full happiness. I can tell very confidently that the exhibition has been a real grand success, with all the guests and others who were here and went around are in real praise for all the students, staff, the parents, no doubt at all, and the administrative staff for coming together as a team and doing all the working models and the presentations so wonderfully well. Thank you very much, ICS family, for being with me as a team to work and make this program a grand success. And thanks to all parents, students, and the people from the ministry who were here, and the guests for this morning, and the press and others. Thank you again, and we hope to have many more programs like this in the Indian Central School, which is always bubbling with activity.
Greetings for KuwaitIndians.tv.